बोलो ना, एवरीबडी। Calcarea is also fearful, is also insecure, is also feeling that he will be observed and he will be criticized. There are so many things in common. What is the difference? The higher problem is that इसमें भी तुमने incapable बोल दिया, उसमें भी incapable रहता है. What is the difference left there?
जैसे ये फाइनल डिफरेंशिएशन अभी किया हमने, राइट, लाइक ओवर सेंसिटिव टू क्रिटिसिज्म.
हाँ.
तो in Calcarea, as we see it, it is more on a social whatever, you know, but here it is more on a professional or a job front.
नहीं, Calcarea में भी job is one of the themes, no? Duty, job, ये तो fourth row के themes हैं.
Yeah, but the reaction pattern, the consequence, we have to observe that also, as you said, that you know he becomes over ambitious in the process since he feels like gratifying whatever is expected out of
Correct.
the relationship which he's seen. That
Correct.
I fulfill that,
That
then,
is one.
and then he goes into that stage of dullness or that lull.
That is one.
Huh.
One of the differences. What else? Calcarea में sweat कैसा है?
Profuse sweating is, or either scanty.
Either scanty है.
Yes.
अब ये मैं क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ? आपने तो mind बोला, तो आप sweat क्यों बोल रहे हो? Because sweat is a symptom of fear, no? And Calcarea has it with fear. इसमें sweat with fear ऐसा नहीं है. Although होना चाहिए. Solanaceae as a family will have trembling, fear, sweat, palpitation, everything with fear. But as for the provings, it is not given like that. अगर है भी, तो भी इसका sweat scanty है.
Even during the fever also.
Even during fever, even otherwise, sweat is scanty. ठीक है? What is the difference in the fear or insecurity itself? In Calcarea, the fear or insecurity comes only when something other than routine, other than क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा challenging कुछ आ गया, तब Calcarea में आता है. इसमें कब आता है? अगर सेकेंड स्टेज में तो ये भी कॉमन हो जाएगा. रूटीन के बाहर गया तो ही प्रॉब्लम है, ये कॉमन हो जाएगा. बट अदरवाइज नॉर्मली फियर कब आता है? कैप्सिकम में. After the stimulants. Stimulants cause aggravation, no? So after the stimulants, the fear is also aggravated. और क्या डिफरेंस है कैप्सिकम और कैल्केरिया में? Anger again will be in the first stage. है ना? Irritability is more in the first stage of capsicum. We are thinking कि first stage of capsicum is Hipar, second stage is Calcarea. अभी बोलो क्या difference? Both are chilly, both are indolent, both are constipated. Calcarea is better when constipated. He is not better when constipated.
But Hipar is all 5 marks, 3 marks. And
this is more 1 mark, 2 mark. Yes, that is the difference there.
Intensity.
In Calcarea, one is sweat, one is better when constipated. और क्या? Calcarea fear कैसा है? Fear of everything. इसमें fear of everything नहीं. Mainly losing relations. Fear is also there with those things which are to be afraid of, but that is normal. उसमें सिर्फ intensity बढ़ जाता है कैप्सिकम में. दूसरा चीज जो फिजिकल लेवल पे, एक तो मैंने स्वेट बोला, और जो रिएक्शंस आते हैं वो कैप्सिकम में क्या है और वो क्या कैल्केरिया में क्या है? एक तो स्वेट मैंने बोल दिया, और क्या है? He starts. Calcaria.
होम सिकनेस नहीं है
Calcaria में होम सिकनेस नहीं है.
Nostalgia.
Nostalgia भी.
Calcarea cost में है.
Nostalgia. हाँ. Anything else you want to? क्या बोल?
I think so.
Very similar, no? Calcaria and capsicum.
Then to Natromur is the chronic of capsicum. That is the irony.
ठीक है. Sure. Calcaria, the other thing is spasms are common. इसमें spasms नहीं है. So it is part of the Solanaceae family. Our Solanaceae family is supposed to be for fear, terror, violence, life and death, etc.
Stramonium, belladonna,
Stramonium, belladonna, hyocinus,
hyocinus, then
capsicum,
yeah,
dulcamara,
Dulcamara. These are all.
then tabacum, mandragora, ये सारे रेमेडीज. Solanum tuberosum, then वो कौन सा? Solanum lycopersicum, ये सारे रेमेडीज है. रेमेडीज का मेन थिंग होना चाहिए फियर.
Yeah.
बट कैप्सिकम में इतना
हाँ,
फियर
नहीं.
इतना नहीं है. क्या रीजन होगा?
No, that's all.
In the provings it has not come out so intensely like Stramonium, belladonna, hyocinus.
Hyocinus.
Now I urge you, has it come out in tabacum? इतना फियर दिखाता है क्या tabacum? नहीं दिखा. अच्छा, डलकमारा इतना फियर दिखाता है क्या?
We don't talk about fears much when
Correct.
we discuss about that.
Correct. So the understanding is this is there in every remedy in the family. We can see the violence, fear, terror, etc. if we can reach the sensation. But if you see these remedies, Stramonium, belladonna, hyocinus, they are in the acute miasm and the typhoid miasm, where the acute crisis is the highest. That is why the fear is seen so clearly. The terror, panic is seen so clearly. The other remedies we can find it if we reach the sensation, but on the superficial level we might not find it. ठीक है? अब ये fear, terror का जो experience है, ये कैसा होगा? उसका reaction कैसा होगा? For Solanaceae, the obvious thing is
Flight or
fright. ठीक है? Flight में या तो भाग जाओ. हाँ बोलो.
So increase of all the sympathetic.
Increase of all the sympathetic functions is the first thing in fear, terror. That is what we saw in the remedy, in the proving. But in the mind, the fear is not so pronouncedly seen in the proving. Okay. Increase of sympathetic activity is the thing that we see in the remedy and is there in fear, terror also. That is the connection. So in the flight, भाग जाओ. जिसमें आपको एट्रोपिन काम भी देगा, उसमें आपको इंस्टिंक्ट से ही भागोगे, you don't need to think. Fright में, the other part, it is going to be shock. The shock which will make you paralyzed, stand right where you are, without movement. That is the other thing. With the fright there is वो जो jerking हमने बोला, twitching, वो सारा provings में आ जाता है. The fear is all about this pursuit, murder, life and death, killed, snakes, ये वो all that is क्या बोलते हैं, about what the fear is. But the paralysis and the running away, instinctiveness is the reaction that we look at.
Yes.
Along with that, in the escape, panic, etc., senses acute is also because of the fear. आप सोचो, आप कोई एक जंगल में जा रहे हो, रात है, अमावस की, अकेले हो, और आपको बताया गया है कि इधर एनिमल्स होते, चलते जा रहे हो, ऑब्वियसली यू विल बी ऑल सेंसेस अक्यूट कि कहीं कुछ बजा, कुछ हो गया, स्मेल कुछ आ गया, यू हैव टू बी अलर्ट, अदरवाइज यू आर डेड. So senses acute is part of that. Shrieking is part of that. The active flight react. ठीक है? In that way, we can now see कि हाँ capsicum is also solanacea. सब है उसमें. ये fear, terror, shock ये directly कोई proving symptom में इतना नहीं दिखा, but है. In the reaction part, you can see clearly. समझे? Everybody.